Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 1669 named March in between linked list. In this problem, basically, we are given two linked lists. One is list 1 and another is list 2. And we are given two integers a and b. Now, we have to remove all of the elements from a to b from the list 1 and add list 2 into this range. Suppose in this example 1, the list 1 contains 6 elements, which is 10, 1, 13, 6, 9 and 5, and list 2 contains 3 elements, which is 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs 1 and 10 lakhs 2. Now we have to remove the element from index number 3 to 4. So as we know that index number starts from 0, so the 6 is the index number 3 and the 9 is the index number 4. So this will be removed. And we have to add 13 with 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs 2 with 5. So our new list will become 10, 1, 13, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs 1, 10 lakhs 2 and 5. So here we remove the node 3 and 4 and put the entire list 2 into their place. The blue edges of the node in the above figure indicates the result. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, let's take the first example. Though the problem statement seems difficult, but the algorithm is pretty easy. We have to do only 3 things to solve this problem. At first, we have to determine which is the node A and B. As our index number starts from 0, so we can say that the 6 node and the 9 node is the node 3 and node 4. Now, we have to do 2 things. We have to mark the previous node of A. So here, the previous node of A is 13. Now, we have to mark the node B. So our node B is 9. So this is 2 pointers. Suppose let's say it is previous and this is current. Now we have to mark one more thing, which is the last element of the list 2, which is this. Now our algorithm is pretty simple. We have to simply add the previous pointer to the first element of the list 2 and last element of list 2 with the current of next pointer. So here current of next will be this node 5. So the list 2's last pointer will be connected to element 5. Now our list become 10, 1, 13, 10 lakhs, 10 lakhs 1, 10 lakhs 2 and 5. So basically this is the algorithm. So after determining these 3 positions, we have to simply add the previous of next position, which will be list 2. That means this connection is established. And similarly, current of next position, here current of next, that means this element 5, will be the list node pointer of next position. Suppose the list node pointer's name is, let's say it is L2 and L2 of next. So by this previous of next is equal to L2, we are establishing this connection And by this current of next is equal to L2 of next, we are establishing this connection. Finally, we have to return the list 1, which will contains all the element of this modified linked list. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named merge in between, which has a list 1 and list 2 as a parameter and two integer value a and b. Now we are taking 3 pointers. Previous and current is indicating to the list 1 and temporary is indicating to the list 2. And I and j value initialized with 0. Now we are shifting this previous element to the previous element of the 8th node. And similarly, the current pointer will be shifted to the bth node of the list 1. Now, similarly, we are shifting the temp pointer to the last position of the corresponding list 2. Now here, previous of next will be list 2 and temporary of next will be current of next. That means by using these two lines, the connection will be established between the linked list. And finally, we have to return the list 1. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.